How sick is this? So a big goal of mine in 2020 was to improve the content on my YouTube channel. So I bought a gimbal, and this is gonna help with cinematics, car reviews, all that good stuff. So if you like the start of the video, please give it a like. It's my first time ever using this. It's actually a little bit more hands-on than I thought it would be. You gotta like hold it in different ways and press buttons and stuff. It's much more difficult than I thought. So still learning how to use it. I do want to play around with this a little bit more, so I'm just going to get a whole bunch of cinematic footage in the start of today's video. I'm going to do some cinematics of the MR2, the Chaser, stuff around the garage, and just see how it turns out. This thing is so fun to use, and it'll give you a better insight of what my garage looks like. So, quick little one, let's get to it again. So today we have a few things to do. We need to take the Chaser and go get a haircut. I need to go run some errands as well. Just a few little things that I gotta do for today, and I'm gonna take you along on that journey and also take the Chaser just down for a little spin because it is so fun to drive. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too hot right now, so we're gonna get a little bit of heat soak, but just look, guys. Holy crap. Got the MR2 and the Chaser. Oh my God. Actually so nice. I love this car, man. So the polished front mount as well came out really good. You know, not the best job like I said, but damn, such a big difference than what it was like before. We still need to get that fixed. That's really bad, but we'll get that fixed eventually. All right, you're gonna hear a lot of the twin plate clutch rattling and all that, but that's just how it be. All right. It's already warmed up. I've already driven it around a little bit, so you didn't have to sit through the process of me warming it up, but damn, this thing builds boost pretty quick. It's a little bit on the warmer side today. I think it's a top of 30 degrees today. So like I said at the start, we're gonna be having a little bit of heat soak. So it won't go crazy good, but still goes pretty good. Have a white line mask. How cool is that? White Line sent out a face mask for me. Stock turbo, stock injectors. I'm so shocked that this thing is as quick as it is, being stock. It's nuts. Just got a boost controller, but we're not even running that much more boost. So the twin plate combined with this stock exhaust sounds like a truck. Oh. We're also heading to the shopping center in the middle of Black Friday sales, so I'm expecting it to be busy as. It needs an exhaust so bad though, my God. Okay, this might be the silliest thing I do to the Chaser and try to take it up the ramp. I can't heel start this thing. I don't know why, but this clutch is just so difficult for me. Like, the throttle pedal as well is super loose, so like it makes it really weird to like play around with. Oh man, this might be the stupidest thing I do. I don't even know if I can make it up those speed bumps. Lucky these side skirts didn't come in minty condition because I've already destroyed the hell out of them. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I did it! Small though, so it's good. Oh. Oh, that wasn't even that bad. We did it. All right. I know for next time we can make it up to this car park. All right. This is where we've parked the Chaser. My God. I am frothing my own car. So yeah, the plan is haircut, buy some stuff. I'm gonna take you along on this journey. We're here at Southland. I've seen a lot of you guys around here. I've had a couple of people, you know, call out my name when I'm walking around Southland, so it's always an adventure going to this place. You can see it's very busy with Black Friday sales happening and all that. Damn, blue skies, nice weather. I don't think it's gonna hit 30 degrees today, but have a sus. Not really a no ding squad situation, but I didn't want to park too far away because I feel like it's a little bit, I don't know, I feel like if you park your car too far away, it's like asking for trouble and people can see it, not near any other cars. So I sort of try to hide my car with all the other cars. We've only got one side where people can ding me, but I park over a little bit so they can freely open their door. So there you go, plenty of room. Wowee, it is busy today. My God. That's why I'm not gonna hold up this camera to my face the whole time I'm walking around, because we're going to see if the Chaser got stolen. Still here. All right, nice. So for a brief second you saw that I was looking at some drones and stuff at JB Hi-Fi because I want to also get a drone for the channel to get some of those, you know, nice blue sky looking down on the car shots, but they're not on sale for some reason. It's Black Friday. Everything else is on sale but DJI drones, which sucks because I really want one. But I reckon it'll be a cool addition to the channel to have sort of drone footage when we go review cars and all that. The gimbal already as well is a great investment. I reckon it's already paid off because it just does such a good job of getting out cinematic footage. So we're gonna head back home. I got a product that I need to test, some other things that I need to show you guys. And yeah, and I'll put the camera up so you guys can see me driving again. Oh! Whoops! Ooh, we nearly scraped the side skirts. These coilovers as well aren't the best thing in the world. They seem to sort of like bottom out. Well, not bottom out, just because the spring's sort of floating in there, you can really notice it. Oh man, it's a big bump. Ah! 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 Oh, we got it. Oh, why did I bring this car? I can't actually set the dampening on the coilovers as well, so they're really soft. So that means they travel so much. And when we go over little bumps like this, because they travel so much, there's a little bit of chance that it might hit the side skirt or the bumper or something. So we just got to take it really nice and easy. Ooh! Look at everyone heading into the shopping center. Look at that. That's crazy. Pretty fortunate to be able to park my car in the garage. However, the other day I left it outside just for like an hour or so, and it just drizzled all across the car. So now the Chaser is dirty again, and I already gave it like a really good clean. It's got water spots everywhere because it was really dirty rain. Man, this weather's just so strange. It's like nice and sunny, and then it just gets really crappy, dirty rain. So I'm gonna wash both of the cars again. Definitely gonna give the MR2 a big wash after going on that trip. Spiderwebs are back again. I don't know how they're living in there. But yeah, give both of the cars a little bit of a clean. So I've just washed the wheels in the MR2 because that's usually the first thing that you do when you wash your car. You do the wheels, then the rest of the body after that. But have a look at this. I haven't... Again, he just made a weird sound. I have not touched this car in a week, maybe a week and a half. I'm not too sure. And look how much it's still beating. What is this magic liquid? It's nuts. It's beating still. Still super hydrophobic even after all this time. The Chaser's obviously going to be like that as well. But the stuff that I use, I'm just gonna quickly show you. If you haven't seen the previous video, what I use is I firstly rinse the whole car in this special snow job, then follow it with some Nanolicious wash, and then we finish off with the good stuff, the happy ending. And the happy ending is what really gives it that sort of hydrophobic shine, gives it that hydrophobic sort of feel. I highly recommend Bowden Zone stuff. It is awesome. So I think I said this before, but I was very skeptical about all the Bowden Zone stuff, and people are talking really highly of it. But now that I've used it for myself, I completely understand how good this stuff is. Like, look at this. Still beating. Alright, so I already screwed up the continuity of today's video. I know I made a promise, but things got a little bit busy. So the reason why I had to stop filming and continue on the next day was because I cleaned my dad's car as well. I'll show you what that's like in a second. I want to show you the MR2. It's rained over the day, so it was kind of a waste of time cleaning it, but it's still looking really good, even though it has rain on it. So it's beating like crazy. That's something to take in mind. Car is super clean. Super fresh still, but obviously once all that rainwater washes away, then yeah, it's not going to be too good. Because my dad doesn't really clean his car properly, I decided to use all my products on his car, and it came out so good because silver looks cleaner no matter what. And even though it's been rained on at here, it's my dad's car. It's got a V6 as well. But look at that paint, beating like crazy as well. Have a look at that. That's insane. Jeez. Like I could almost blow on it. Oh. Damn. And unfortunately we didn't get time to clean the chaser because I was busy. So sorry again for the lack of continuity. I mean, it sort of continues because it's the next day and it's not sort of jumping all over the place. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want any tips on cleaning your cars or something like that, or if you have any other video ideas, I know a lot of you guys have been leaving some nice video ideas in the comments below. Really appreciate that. Helps me out because as a content creator, it's always a task trying to think of new ideas, all that stuff. So it only helps when you guys mention that stuff. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you all in the next one.